Hello, everyone. Welcome to New Tech. I am with another quick tutorial. How to fix missing settings folder on the Windows 10 Start. Now, let's start. First of all, go to Desktop and right-click on an empty area. Then, select Personalize. Next, click on the Start tab in the Personalization panel. Then, scroll down and click on Choose which folders appear on Start. Now, find the settings and turn the toggle on. After that, close the window and check your Start menu. Great! The settings folder is back. Okay. That's it for today. I will see you in the next tutorial with amazing and interesting topics. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel.